Welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 36 in this series. How to adjust the tuning, the pitch of the selected instrument. Select an instrument that you want to tune. Press and hold the shift key and then press the octave up button, which is the menu. Use the tempo value knob till you get to tune. Press the C# button to enter, and then use the tempo and value knob to tune it as you see fit. When you're finished, press the exit button to go back to the previous screen. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure you give the video a like and subscribe for more content on this unit and others to come. And if you'd really like to help support the channel, why not decide to become a member? Thanks again. Bye.